Hello, I'm Achim Kettler from Dental Wings and I want to show you some tips and tricks about coDiagnostiX. Enjoy! If you are ready with your planning and want to export it maybe on a USB stick or send it to a colleague without case exchange, there is a nice feature. We can export just this single plan, go on patient, export planning, and you can store it. You will see this name, decide where you want to have it, for example on the desktop or on the USB stick. And if it is stored, it's only the single plan, not the complete patient, then there is a cool function to restore it. Just copy it somewhere or even on the USB stick, double click on it, coDiagnostiX will open if the dongle is inserted, and then it's directly open. Perfect, I think.